What's up guys, welcome back to another KixFix video. So for this video I got a nice Jordan 1 unboxing. This actually wasn't really the planning to cop. I mean, I thought the pair was banging, no doubt, super sick pair, but you know, it's the same month. I wasn't really going to cop any more sneakers. But I heard they were a lot more limited than the neutral grey, kind of off-white Air Jordan 1 that released. The Foot Locker that I work at got those, like, I don't know, a lot of boxes. These we didn't, and I was told that only Bastille was going to get them from out of all Europe. Heard from another dude that also Foot Locker Amsterdam got them, so I don't really know how limited they are, but they are a lot more limited than the neutral grey ones, and these are 10 times sicker. But you know, since I wasn't sure if I was able to get them or not, I was like, yeah, well, I can just try to enter a raffle. I mean, I probably will not be successful. I already had a lot of luck with the off-whites, so I thought my luck was, you know, pretty much empty for at least a while. So I tried at Sneakavenue and another site. I only entered 2 raffles. Of course, tried on the sneakers app too, but yeah, a win is pretty much a myth, except for the off-whites for me. I also have made a video on those. I'll post them next week and you'll know what happened with those. But for now, let's just open them up. I'm super curious to see how they look in real life, because I've seen a lot of pictures and a lot of different pictures too. So here's the receipt. This is oh, so like one is in Dutch. Oh no, this is to send them back. Well, I'm not going to send them back, so this can go. This needs to go in the box. I always keep my receipts right here for now. Right, so here they are. The turbo green, sail white, and in French vert turbo, blanc voile, or something like that, I don't know. So here is the box label, so you can see for yourself. I'm pretty curious what the number is. 311. Usually I think colorways like that are like 600 or something. 104. This is 142. This one was 105. Not 600. Wait, 600 was pink, I think. Doesn't really matter. But since I've showed you guys them anyway, I thought it was cool to just take out some of my kind of hornet colorways I have. For instance, the Air Max 1 Anniversary Aqua. Really fresh pair. I've worn them, but like I said, I clean my outsoles. Gotta keep them clean and fresh. You know, already seen those in the last video, if you have seen it. These are just Aqua, also same color as those. Not really, but Nike calls them the same, gives them the same colorway. These are, I just seen it. Alright, so I forgot the colorway of these. Wait, I just have a look. I just looked it up. Mineral blue, because I don't have the original box of these, but these are dunks from 2010. Pretty similar to the Jordans in this box here. Also had them in my story. fake flexing, like I got these early. It was just for fun though. These ones, super happy I have these. Shout out to Matthijs, thanks a lot for letting me cop these for a really nice price. The sea crystals. So one of the two colorways is called Aqua, the other is called Sea Crystal. Pretty sure this is the Sea Crystal and this is the Aqua, or maybe it's the other way around, I don't really know. And also right here I have the Bleached Aqua Women's TN, mega fresh, right, crazy fresh colorway, nice for the summer. Right, now it's time to open up the box and see what is up. Ooh. Well, these are sick. Got that Jordan 1 smell. Really like that. So it's actually a pretty similar colorway to the Dunks, because the Dunks also have gray, not on the outsole but on the inside. The liner. Wow. They are super fresh. With the 2 sets of extra laces. I'm not sure which one I'm going to put in. Maybe I'll go Hype Beast and put purple in left, turquoise in right. I'm not sure. I'm also not really sure why I put the aqua laces and the blue mineral in those, because it's pretty uncharacteristic for me to do that. Usually when there's a white midsole I put in white laces. So yeah. Weird. But for these, I thought the mudguard, or yeah, well, mudguard and all the other turbo green panels were leather. They ain't. They are some kind of, well, not really roughed up suede, but it has lighter marks. Kind of a bleached feel it gives. Right now on camera they look a little bit darker than in real life, but that's the same issue I had with all these pictures online. But man, they are so sick. Here's the inside. Nice turbo green Nike Air branding on the insole. Let me take out the sticker first before I forget. Don't take off the branding, please. Nope. Alright. Just put them inside of the lid. Super lit. Oh yeah, the only thing I'm bothered about, or bothered by, I'm not sure how to say that, is the text on the side. It is really small though, so I might leave it there if I one time need to sell these, because they're already pretty valuable and I just know I'm not going to wear them very often just because of the amount of kicks I have. And I'm not sure what the future brings, but you know, I might need to sell these one day, and it's better if they then still have the text there. So I'm probably just gonna leave it there, but I do think they look nicer without the text. So yeah man, it's just a crazy nice pair. The leather, I'm not too sure about. I mean, it looks, yeah, here's the crease check. You see, it doesn't really distress that well. It's pretty stiff actually. It just has some super raw tumble in there. But yeah, it's a really nice look. So I might just keep the white laces in them. Damn, I'm not sure. It looks super fresh though. Well, you will see in the on feet which laces I will put in, but also let me know in the comments which laces you would put in, and also which of the other aqua kicks you like the best out of the aqua kicks I have. I might have more aqua kicks, but since the weather was really nice, I wasn't going to look long through my whole collection to find more aqua. I might have some dunks that are in that colorway too, but oh yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see them. The also All-Star Weekend. No, I'll just get them out for you guys so you can see them. These are All-Star Weekend Air Forces from 2015, 16, 2015. Really nice with the 3M tongue tags, 3M on the back. Super fresh. Aurora Borealis. For those who don't know what it is, it's Northern Light. Clear outsoles. The insoles also and liner also feature the same Northern Light, and the swoosh is actually a swoosh that is coming out from the side. Super dope, never really seen that before. This panel is the same panel as the mid panel. There's no extra piece of leather that's on top of there. Also, I really like the finishing with the leather panels like folded in. Then I'm not sure if it's also with the women's. No, I can't remember anymore, but with the men's there's actually a 3M panel underneath the toe box, which all the holes in the toe box lit up when it gets hit by the light, which looks super dope. And you've got the two lace aglets, lace tips in the contrasting colors. Super fresh. And also I I got these for such a steal. I got them at the outlet, and it's a women's shoe, the white one. I also have the black one, but they were 45 euros, which is already a really nice price, I think. But all the women's kicks were 50% extra off from women's 42, so women's 10. And this is actually a 11 for an Air Force. Is pretty big, but I could get these for €22.50, so I couldn't leave them there. I had to take these with me. Crazy fresh pair. So maybe if the that's the beast. Nah, it's behind my bed. I'm not gonna take those out, but I'll show you guys these two. It's pretty much the same colorway too. It's an Air Force Supreme. Has nothing to do with Supreme. I sometimes see Air Max 1 Animals with an X and then Supreme for sale. It's not a collab with Supreme. It's just how Nike called their premium editions back in 05 till 08 or 09. Yeah, so no Supreme collab. Yeah, a really sick Air Force 1 though. I bought these when I got some great dunks from a dude from Sweden. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, there's a mark. I had to focus on it. Non de jus. Come on. Ah, there you see. There's a orchid pattern in the patent leather, which I think is a pretty cool accent, and the whole sole, the whole midsole is see-through rubber, and you can see the air bubble, the air unit. Well, the camera isn't really working along today. Yay. Alright, nice leather liner, super soft, cool orchids on the insole. Worn those like 6 times, keeping them clean, right? Alright, so enough showing of the rest of my collection. I'll probably have some more in that colorway, but right, it's nice weather. I have to get outside for the on-feed shot, so let's just go.
From the twitching of my thumb, something wicked this way comes, throwing bump. It's the Prince of Darkness, Antichrist, come get you some. Crucial style, crucifying killer from the 6th dimension. I'm taking souls from hoes, cause I love the competition. All in my mind, it's only evil thoughts, and I'm the gatekeeper to the path of terror, to the realm of the grim reaper. As I resurrect and rise above my mortal stage, I see my fingers as they disappear, being replaced by razor blades. On a murder spree, I killed up all them bastards staring at me. Breaking bad, I'm breaking bones and rolling domes. Ain't got no mercy, cause I'm cursy. Always had the mice and fangs, don't hate me, man. All I wanna do is kill, chill, and drink your blood and things. Calling me sick, that's your worst mistake, cause I won't hesitate to marinate. Chop you up and spread you across my dinner plate. The cannibalistic nigga, hollow point, don't leave no fucking sequel. Looking death straight in his eye, I bet you I don't fear no evil.
Alright, so those were the B-rolls. I hope you liked them. Man, this pair I think is the freshest pair I have in my collection, or at least one of the freshest pairs. Yeah, just crazy. So I'd like to thank Sneakavenue for letting me win the raffle, and I don't know, just thankful in general for winning another raffle. Like, my luck has really got to be empty for a while now, so all good. I have to rebuild it again. So yeah, thank you guys a lot for watching, and subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell too. I'll see you guys in the next video. I am out.
Peace. Soon as you come in, I'm breaking off some proper shit, smoke.